Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? We will answer a few of the questions from this video first. I have a question yesterday asking me what is the setting on Bollinger Bands and MACD. I guess I will quickly explain on this one here. Alright, the setting for Bollinger Bands is actually default, and the setting for MACD for EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, and signal is 5. So again, Bollinger Band default, MACD 5, 35, 5, and pretty simple setting. If you would like to try the strategy, you can give it a try with the setting I gave you. And also the option period and candlestick chart time frame I use is option period 30 seconds, candlestick chart 10 seconds. That's about it for the strategy, and give it a try and then let me know if you are making profit with the strategy. Alright, today let's talk about something really simple but also really useful when it comes to Forex and binary option trading, which is the trend line. The trend line is actually a line that is placed on the candlestick chart, and a lot of traders actually only using the trend line without any technical indicators. Let me place a trend line first, and I will explain to you how you can do it. Right. There we go. Now I will change the color of the line. I want it to be red. Okay. Alright. How do we actually place a trend line is actually quite simple. First we actually need to look for 2 points on the candlestick chart. When the trend is downtrend, the trend line is gonna be on the top, which means that the 2 points you're looking for is gonna be the top, the higher price within a particular period of time. In here, I have connected two higher high here, which is this one here and this one here. Once I connect these 2 points, then we will have a trend line, which is on top of the candlestick chart. Alright, let me place an option here first. And when the price, let's say in this case it's a downtrend, when the price reach to the trend line, we will place a low option. A trend line here in the downtrend acts as a resistance level, which means that the trend line actually resists the price to go further up. When the price actually touch the trend line, it will most likely to come down. I placed an option here. The candlestick chart I use here is a 1 minute candlestick chart, and the option period here I'm trading is 5 minutes. We'll wait for 5 minutes and see how it ends. Alright, I might just use this time to explain a bit more on the trend line. As I say, when the market is in a downtrend, the trend line will be on top of the candlestick. But when the price is in an uptrend, the price is actually the trend line need to be below the candlestick. That's how you distinguish the uptrend and downtrend. Alright, the trade is almost finished, it's looking good. It's gone. It's down. $75 profit. actually worth to mention that the 5 minutes option have 75% payout ratio. Alright, so let's move on and look for another one to trade with. Right, let's see. Alright, so yep, this one looking good. It's a downtrend as well. So I'm gonna show you. Yep, the one I look for one higher high there and the other one here. So I just click twice to lock the trend line on the candlestick. And now I'm changing the color and the thickness of the line so that I can see better. Alright, yep, it's touching the trend line and I placed a low here. So again, when the trend is in a downtrend, the trend line needs to be on top of the candlestick. Just remember that. And when the price is in a uptrend, the trend line need to be below the candlestick. Alright, so let's wait for a bit here. Right, again, just a reminder on how you can look for a trend line. So within a downtrend, you need to look for two higher high, which is this point here and this point here. Click on both points and then you can have your trend line here. It's it might take you a bit of time to get used to it, but once you get used to it, this simple method is gonna be really profitable. Alright, so yep, it's about to finish and I guess I'm doing well here. So yep, another $75 profit. So 2 trades in a row, that's not a bad result. And yep, let's take a look at the result. Alright. Yep, 2 trades, $150 profits. Well, that's good. That's good enough for today. Well, I guess that it's not a bad option if you want to trade with a longer period of time frame. So if you would like to trade with a longer period of time frame, I guess the trend line is gonna be your option. And again, just a reminder to place a trend line when the price is in a downtrend, the trend line needs to be on top of the price. When the price is in an uptrend, the trend line needs to be below the candlestick. Yep, that's it for today. And if you guys have any question on the trend line, just let me know. Put a comment down there in the comment box, and I will reply as soon as possible. Yep, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye. Alright, so if you guys like my video and want to see more of my live trading, subscribe to the channel and follow my daily trading. So also, if you have any question on either binary option or forex trading, you can always leave me a comment or email me to the email here, and I will try to reply to you as soon as possible.